big eye-opening experience for me. Every single event brings new knowledge, industry trends, as well as information I can take back to my company and use from either the sales side or the operational side.
Coming to Engage is really spectacular, not only from the networking standpoint, but the layout of the meeting itself is really great. There's tabletop booths for exhibitors and sponsors to be able to showcase their products, and the way that the CPA puts things together from the networking standpoint to make sure that all the people will go and interact with each one of those tables so that you truly can make those connections with people you've never met before.
Engage has been one of my favorite conferences across the entire industry. Not only because of the amazing networking, but the creativity of how we do the networking. It's definitely a more intimate environment for everybody to be connecting. The industry knowledge that I get, the workshops are invaluable.
It's a great opportunity to connect not only with our customers, but to understand what's happening in the industry, what are some of the challenges that the network of contract packagers and contract manufacturers are facing, and how we might be able to help support that.
We have sat through many of the panel discussions and the sessions and really feel rejuvenated when we return back to the office. I really feel like we have learned quite a bit in how to serve our industry in the upcoming year.
When I come here, I'm able to get around a group of people that do what I do, know the problems I deal with. We can spitball, this is how we did this, how did you implement this shift, things like that. And then, you go to the golf course and you're paired with a different 3 people every year, but you see guys you played with in years past. And overall, it's just a great way to learn industry standards, to learn industry trends, and just to get out of the cold and get in the sun for a few days.
For me, being a part of the CPA is so rewarding because getting to work with the community of contract packagers and contract manufacturers, getting to understand the trends, the challenges, how we as an organization, as an association, can help our membership to give back to the community. That's what makes me coming back here every year.
I have been involved with the CPA for about 4 years now. Started out in a few committees and fell in love with the association. So what do I get out of it? Anything from networking to amazing relationships to industry knowledge that I could not get anywhere else.
You get the annual meeting where you get to get amongst your peers, but you also get access to the State of the Industry report every year through the website. You get access to companies that you didn't know existed because of the RFQ tool. So business top to bottom, they've got everything that you really need to grow your business and make it successful.
We have seen many benefits from the sponsorship. We've got a lot of exposure at the annual meetings. We also get quite a bit of exposure with the Contract Packaging magazine and email blasts. Those spotlights have been very helpful in getting our name out to the contract packagers.
You're able to provide that feedback. The CPA is an organization that takes that feedback and implements it so that they can best serve you.
Whether it's an RFQ that comes in to find a new customer for our own, or if we can use that to send to another member of CPA. The networking that happens doesn't just happen one time at the annual meeting at Engage, it happens throughout the year.